Okay, so I'm going to be talking about how to use the new Loenn PM features to add tile sets. So let's first just create a new project. And so now you'll notice that each tile set thing has one for foreground and one for backgrounds. That should be obvious. Let's start with it just importing a normal tile set. We'll explain the other ones when we get to them. So first we need to go get a tile set file. Let's go grab, say, this one by Citre. Doesn't really matter. Okay, so I'm just gonna grab that from my downloads here. So the copy file is just in case you want to, you don't want to lose the file for some reason, which you might not want to do. The name is how it'll display in Loenn. So let's just go with that. Sound is self-explanatory. That's all the sounds in the game. Pick the one. The template is which template to use. We'll get to how to make custom templates later. For now, we'll just, this is a vanilla template tile set, so we'll leave it. And ignores we'll leave. Custom masks, again, we'll go back to that later. And as it says here, we now need to save and restart Loenn. You only need to do this the first time you add a tile set. So after we restart, if we were to add a background tile set, we wouldn't need to restart. I don't know why you only need to restart the first time. It's just like that, I think, for some reason. Anyway, once Loenn finishes reloading, we can see we have our tile set, and let's just make a quick test room so we can view our tile sets in all their glory. So now we'll show how we can create a tile set and use tile set templates besides vanilla. And to do that, I'll grab the Beastly tile set by the advertisement, which you may recognize this one from Strawberry Jam. If you leave the name blank, you'll use the file name to determine the name. Sound, I'm not really sure. It doesn't matter. Let's just pick like brick. Since the template's going to be a vanilla custom one, we will give it a name. And for the mask, we'll go to this is where you would go to get the XML you copy and paste the template. And for this, we'll just copy the bit that goes in between the tile set tags. As you can see, I selected the bit that goes between the tile set tags. Copy, paste, and import. And now we have this new tile set. Cool. Now if we want to add another OXID tile set, say this dark mode tile set by Va, sound, let's go with dirt. We can now select the OXID template here, and it will now work. There. Okay, so that's how importing tile sets work and how you can create templates with that. So now let's go into editing. Now I don't really like how this dark mode tileset is interacting with the beast belly tileset. Let's go edit the dark mode. Actually, no, I think I want to edit the beast belly tileset. The custom mask is a bit funny, but it's fine. And as you can see, we can change the sound, the template name, or the mask. Now, or we can change which tilesets are ignored. For this case, we'll just ignore dark mode. But we could also select lab grass, but I'm not going to. And as you can see, it will reload and change our configuration. Now, we're going to talk about this one, the link remote one, which is for asset packs. So if you are a spooky asset pack person, and animated tilesets is not a feature that I figured out what to do with yet, so we'll just grab one of these ones that doesn't have it. So for these, what you do is you copy the path bit in here. This one will leave the template blank. Sound, I don't know, grass. And then, again, we can copy the custom mask even if we're not creating a template. Same way, just get the bit between the tileset tags, paste it in here, and as long as we leave the template blank, it won't create a template. Now, I've actually decided I don't like this dark mode tileset. I want to get rid of it, and I don't want the files clogging up my project. So I'm going to remove it from my room. Actually, let's use this feature. I'm just going to leave one bit there. So it won't let you delete tilesets you're using. Just I might change it so it asks you to replace them, but I can't be bothered. Then if you try to delete a tileset, you'll get a nice warning because it will remove the file, and if that file is, say, an art asset you worked on, that would kind of suck. So, but to proceed, oh, that's a bug. Whatever. You enter the tileset's name to proceed. So in this case, I enter dark one, and now the tileset's gone. Of course, we can undo and redo that, just as we can with most actions in this, like importing and editing tilesets. But in this case, I do actually want it gone. But yay, that's how you use all the new tileset features in Loenn Project Manager. Enjoy!